Hi everyone, coming to the end of Wednesday evening. Just going to do a little recap of the trades. Yesterday we could see price was retracing here, and it continued to reverse in the morning. And I could see still making higher highs and higher lows. And so on this retrace here, I took a long. I always choose the most recent swing low for my stop loss. Like I said, you can go with a wider one if you prefer. But whenever you do that, it makes it harder to. You're obviously reducing its potential on the profit side as well. I prefer to go for the nearest swing, and that trade got stopped out. Then we crossed below and below the 200 period moving average and started making lower lows and lower highs, and so I took this entry here on my stop over the high. This was again a bit unclear where the swing points were, so I just picked the obvious looking one. And then we reversed back over the moving average again. This happens a lot. You need to get used to this. It's part of the game. Put in a nice swing high and a retrace, and entered a long here. So you'll notice that at this point I was in a short trade and a long trade. And that will happen sometimes. If you want to make a rule to deal with that, perhaps waiting until the first trade has stopped out. I don't. I just, if it's a valid trade and the other trade that's open is being managed to the rules, then I take the trade. This trade hadn't reached 2R to move to break even, so I'm not going to close it out early. I'm going to wait until it stops. It's either stop hit or profit target hit with all these trades. So I've taken 2 losses today, and the third trade is still live, and price is looking like it's trying to start a bit of an uptrend. Might catch the start of a trend here and get a nice win. I'll do an update tomorrow. Any comments, leave them below.